Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Again, depending on where you are. So first of all, there's not much light in here. Um, Let me see how I can work it out. Let me see how I can work it out. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. If the lighting can be better. But while we're trying to sort out the lighting, drop your location in the chat box. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? I really want to know. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Um, I really want to know. Are you in Lagos? You have to talk to me in the chat box, okay? You have to talk to me in the chat box. I really want to know where you are. I really want to know where you are right now. Where exactly are you? Where exactly are you? So talk to me. Go tell your friends that we're live right now. Um, we've been slow on the live lately, and that's because I've not been in Nigeria. Um, I've not been in Nigeria. We've been very slow. Many things has been slow, especially even in the trading. Many things has been slow. But once I'm back into the country, focus full time, I'll be fully back by ending of the month. So once I'm back, everything goes back to normal. Everything goes back to normal once I'm back. So you guys just be expectant that once Coach David is around, everything goes back to normal. As a progressive progress. Progressive progress. Everything goes back to normal. Okay? Everything goes back to normal once I'm fully around. I need to know that once I'm fully around, everything goes back to normal. For now, I'm still sort of, unavailable. I'm unavailable. Them know they see me. Yeah, so basically, I'm still kind of unavailable. I'm still kind of unavailable. I'm still kind of unavailable. So talk to me. I'm not seeing plenty comments. So what's going on? And where are you guys? You guys are not in a place where you want to talk, or you're not in the live show, or is it because my hair is rough? All right, all right. I know this is below our standard. Our standard is usually proper lighting, everything already, even Coach David looking all, clean, whatnot. Plus the co-hosts that will be there and everything. I understand completely. All right. However, on the days where we are unavailable or unable to do those, I still believe that consistency is a thing. I still subscribe so heavily to consistency. All right. I subscribe so heavily to consistency. In fact, I believe that a man who is only showing up on his perfect days is not consistent. Mhm. I believe that a man who only shows up when it is perfect for him is not what is not consistent. Are you with? Oh, sorry for that glitch. A man who only shows up when it is convenient for him, I believe, is not consistent enough. That's maybe wrong. That's my school of thoughts. That's my school of thoughts. That's my school of thoughts. That if you only show up when it is convenient for you, when everything looks all perfect, if those are the only days you show up, I can't really trust you to build something big with me. All right. I want you to write in the comment section very quickly. Um, I am big. I am big. Capital letter. I am big. Capital letter. I am big. Capital letter I am big. Capital letter I am big. Capital letter I am big. I am big. Capital letter I am big. Capital letter I am big. 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 It doesn't matter what's going on right now. What matters is I am big. All right. I'm gonna walk you through something that I've learned. And hopefully that'll be a good place to start the class today. I'm gonna walk you through something that I've learned, and hopefully that'll be a good place to start class today. All right. That'll be a good place to start the class today. Hopefully that'll be a good place to start the class today. I am very big. There are more people in the live stream, but I don't know why they're not talking. All right. There are more people in the live stream, but I have no reason, I have no understanding as to why they're not responding. I don't know why they're not responding at all. I don't know why they're not responding. I don't know why they're not responding. Because I know we have a number of people on the live stream with us. All right. So let's get right into the chat. Hopefully today's class will not be too long. I'll just analyze two pairs. All right. GBPUSD and any other one. So before you even go in there, you guys suggest what pairs do you want me to analyze? What pair do you want me to analyze alongside? Alongside GBPUSD. I'm waiting for you guys to suggest in the chat box. Should I do gold? Should I do GBP What do you want me to do? Talk to me, please. Talk to me. What other pair do you want us to look at? Or is it that you can't hear me? I really want to know. Is it that you can't hear me? Maybe the network is bad or something exactly. Or you guys just don't want to talk to me? Because I mean, there are a number of people on the live show right now that I can see. That I can see. There are a number of people on the live stream right now that I can see. Okay. So talk to me. I really want to know. Okay, so you know what's going to happen? Because I'm seeing message on my WhatsApp instead. I don't really understand what's going on. That's someone said that the person's typing, but it's not, it's not able to go through. Um, is that is that an error that other people are facing also? Is that an error that others are facing also? Please talk to me. Because someone typing and unable to send, I don't know if that error others are facing also. But I'm wondering why the comment section is so dry. Is that an error that others are facing? Please talk to me very quickly.
Charger disconnected. Charger connected. Charger disconnected. Charger connected. Charger disconnected. Charger connected. Charger disconnected. Charger connected. Charger disconnected. Charger
Can
connected.
other people type? Okay, oh, that's true. How can I even get their responses? What if they're typing yes and then you know what happened? I'll just teach, believing that I'll just teach, believing that you'd what's the word? That you're hearing me. Really, I don't know. I'll just teach, believing that you're hearing me. Because at this point, I don't know how to navigate that. Honestly, at this point, I don't know how to navigate that. But I'll just teach, believing strongly that you're hearing me. Okay, somebody's typing now. Precious Egbekoba. I think the person's not facing what others are facing. Another person to Saint Paul. That means the person is also not facing what others are facing. So let's get right into the class since some people can type. Okay. So we'll do GBSC very quickly so that we can see what to do this week. We've been here for a while now. The market looks very funny for us. That's because we give the market a time off. Yeah. So I like to be objective in my analysis. I like to be very objective. Swept it, came up into liquidity zone, went down, swept this, came up into liquidity zone. So now its next target is to come and sweep this. That's maybe an objective, okay? What's been objective? The next target is to sweep this. However, since you know that the next target is to come down, let's now consider this entire zone because I believe you understand what I did here. This was a low. This was a low. And price came and swept it here. You can see this white place here. Swept the low, meaning broke structure, went up into the demand supply zone and sold. Now, selling means that it has also broken this second structure now. Broken the second structure means it has come up into the next supply zone and making a long fall into another break of structure. All right, that's just the simple meaning of what I just did. Now, let's consider only this part of the market. Let's consider only this part of the market. All right. So this part of the market, see here, price swept this liquidity here. So price swept this liquidity. It's coming up into the supply zone. So we have to kind of find out where the supply zone is. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. In this entire move, where is the in this entire move, where is the supply zone? Now, there are several ways to find out supply zones. But usually, supply zone is the last, what do you call it? Order block. Usually, supply zone is the last order block that is untapped. So first, we can see these are protected high. First. We can all agree that we don't expect price to come here at all. If it does, no problem, but we don't expect it to come here. I don't have an expectation that price to come there. Am I making any sense? I don't have an expectation that price to come there. It's not part of what I expect. Price might do it. Price might do it. I mean, bro, I really don't have a lot of expectations. um, yeah. So if these are projected high, then where is likely the supply zone in that entire move? If these are protected high, then where is the supply zone in that entire move? Um, so this was filled. So let's even draw it out objective. They like to be objective. High, low, price filled up, came down, filled up the imbalance completely, came down. There's no imbalance here. Came down, filled up. Came down, went all the way here to clear out all this liquidity. So hold on, let's be objective. Price cleared out all this liquidity. What that means is none of this had the supply zone in it. Then price came all the way here. But on this sojourn, it did not give us any new supply zone. Okay, good. So in this kind of situations where the supply zone is not clear, and by supply zone not being clear, what I'm trying to say is in this kind of situations where we don't see price, excuse me, in this kind of situations where we don't see price, clearly outlining the zone for us. Um, um, So what we can do in this case, go back to the 4 hours actually, and see if it is clear on the 4 hours. It is not. Like something like this one is very clear. This is a very clear um supply zone, and price filled it up. Very clear. This one now is not very clear. So if you're going to be taking any trade on this, it's going to be risk, high risk. It's going to be risk, high risk. But I think this still looks sort of fair. This is the low probability trade. It's like a 40% or a 60%. If you're going to be too extreme, it's like a 60% setup. So wait for price to come into this zone and we sell. And that is few pips away from where price is right now. That's few pips away from where price is right now. So we can break it down a little bit more. 15 minutes. Price is not even, ready yet. But I'd like to sell from there if at all. Then if not there, if price fails this place, first of all, if you're selling here, our stop loss now this is a low probability trade actually. And the reason is a low probability trade is because I just explained exactly that the supply zone is not clear. Like the supply zone is not clear. Um Supply zone is actually not clear. Like it's actually not clear. If it was clear, I'll tell you, supply zone is actually not clear. Um Supply zone is actually not clear at all. Supply zone is not clear at all. Um So we can either sell from here or wait for price to finish this structure that is trying to draw on the 4 hours. Look at the structure here. It's trying to draw this structure on the 4 hours. So it's one of these things. If price comes here and goes above this, all I'll wait for is a retest and I'll buy. I'll no longer sell. Do you understand what I just did? So these are the two likely things that I can see in the market right now. Two things I can likely see in the market. These 4 hours. So this is likely inverse head and shoulder. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a likely head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder. So it's either that or wait for price into that zone. Do you understand? Wait for price in that zone. It's one of those two things. It has to be one of those two things. All right. So yeah, basically, let me copy this and share with the group. I'm trying to send it to you guys on the group now. So let me copy the M30 settlements and send also. Um, Basically something like this. Three 386 160, please. Um, all right, guys. So this is what's going to happen because um, I believe we have taken a lot of time just trying to analyze one thing. Plus, the network keeps lagging, so I can't get response from other people. So we're going to end the class today only because network is lagging. And then I will say I didn't take the proper time to prepare for this session. So we'll do a makeup. So next week Monday will be better than this, right? So see you guys at the top, not from the top, because you know what I always tell you: the bottom is extremely crowded. The bottom is extremely crowded. Don't listen to anybody that says there's no space for you. There's space for you at the top. Come here. We have space. All right. God bless you.